Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I want to do a quick tutorial on how to open up two workbooks within the same workbook interface. So to help that make a little more sense, I'm going to open up book 1 and book 2 as most people traditionally would, and you'll see that you get the option for book 1 or book 2 as two separate entities. So you have to click on one if you work in one, or you got to click on the other if you want to work in the other. In order for them to both open up in one window, we're going to do that by opening one of the two workbooks. It doesn't matter which one, but we'll open one of them at first. So in this case I picked book 1, and then I'm going to go File, Open, and book 2 is on my desktop here. So I'm going to press and hold the Control key when I press book 2. So I just double clicked on book 2, and then book 2 will come in and it will supersede or overtake book 1. To show both of them, we're going to go to the View tab, and then we're going to go to Arrange All, and then within this field we can select whichever way we want to view them. So horizontal, for example, we'll put one above the other. Whichever one you open second will be at top, but you can switch those around. And you have different options here. You can do vertical as well, and you see you have the two workbooks in the same interface here, and you still have access to all the sheets on all your workbooks. So it's a really great way to work in two different workbooks if you're going to be using functions that reference the other workbook and not have to use the taskbar down here to go between two different workbooks. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this helped.